Most people genuinely think that you can't travel the world and build a successful business at the same time. But for the past few years, I've done both. I've run multi-million-dollar online businesses from planes, cafes, beaches, jungle villas, even dodgy Wi-Fi spots in the middle of nowhere. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I managed that. The habits, the tools, the systems, and the mindset shifts that let me stay productive, scale my business, and actually enjoy life while on the move. So let's get into it. First, let's talk about the most important thing, the mindset. The biggest shift that you need to make is this. Freedom doesn't mean doing nothing. It means choosing exactly what you do and where you want to do it from. When I first started traveling, I made a mistake. I wanted to escape work, but if you're building something meaningful, you don't escape it. You simply integrate it into your life. So I built a life around business and travel, not one or the other. If you want this lifestyle to last, you have to treat travel as part of your routine and not a break from it. I don't cram my life around my business anymore. I actually do the opposite. I ask myself, where do I want to be? What experiences do I want to have? And then I build my schedule around those answers. Whether it's week-long surf trip, a hiking trip, or a chill month in Bali or in Europe, my calendar reflects the life I want. But I still block out non-negotiable work hours every week. Deep work, team calls, creative days. That structure is actually what gives me my freedom, which sounds backwards, but structure is what creates the space to actually enjoy where you are. Now, this is a big one. You cannot build a freedom-based life if your business is chained to one location. And that is exactly why I went all in on e-commerce. At first, I tried traditional dropshipping like everyone suggests, but anyone with half a brain knows that that model simply doesn't work anymore. I found my success when I started building customer-first brands, which is what I now teach inside the Freedom Club. But what made me choose e-commerce in the first place was simple, really. There's no office, no physical storefront, just a laptop, Wi-Fi, and a small team spread out across the world. Whether you're dropshipping, coaching, selling info products, as long as it's digital, it's scalable from anywhere. And the best part is once all of your systems are built, which takes a long time, you don't have to be on 24/7. I don't micromanage. I don't do everything myself. The key is systems. I've got automated processes for onboarding, for customer service, for fulfillment, even the content creation, all done with a lean remote team that knows exactly what to do without me holding their hand every day. This is what we use in our team. Slack for team comms, Notion for SOPs and project tracking, Triple Whale for results tracking, Google Drive to house all of our assets and files. My focus now, high impact moves, strategy, creative, growth. The rest runs with minimal maintenance. So here is what a typical travel day looks like for me. In the morning, I wake up early. First thing, move my body, whether that's gym, boxing, or going for a run. Then I fuel up with a healthy breakfast and jump straight into a 2 to 3 hour deep work block with no distractions. Then I write, plan, and film any content that I need for the day. After that, I like to get out. I like to explore, get some sun, chill, go catch up with friends, and maybe shoot some content. I usually follow this with some strategy calls or some meetings mixed in amongst it, and then another 1 or 2 hour work block depending on the day. In the evenings, I keep it to light work. I check in with the team, review tasks. Then after that, it's sunset, dinner, friends, switch off, prep for the next day. The key is batching. When I'm on, and when I'm off, I'm fully off. Well, mostly. I'll be real with you. Airports, boats, and island Wi-Fi aren't exactly productivity havens. So here's what I do to stay on top of that. I like to plan my weeks in advance every Sunday. I keep a running task list in Notion. I definitely travel with noise-canceling headphones and a portable charger, as well as data roaming for hotspot when you need it, because you will. I always keep a low energy task list for off days or bad Wi-Fi days, which is replying to emails, organizing files, or simply planning content. And if the Wi-Fi is completely trash, I don't complain, I just work around it. You don't need perfect conditions, you just need commitment and a plan. Let me tell you, this lifestyle is definitely not for everyone. It takes a lot of discipline, and it takes a vision. But it's also the most freeing thing in the world, in my opinion. I have watched sunsets in Greece, sunrises in Cappadocia. I've worked from tree houses in Bali. I've climbed volcanoes. I've lived on a yacht in the Komodo Islands, all while scaling my brands and building a business that helps thousands of people do the same. It sure didn't happen overnight, but if you put the right business model, systems, and habits in place, you will just wake up one day and realize that you're living your dream. If you're keen to learn how to build an online business that lets you work from anywhere, just like I do, we built the Freedom Club for people like you. It's a free course that shows you step by step how to start and scale a remote e-commerce business. Even if you're starting from scratch, you'll be using the exact model that I use that achieved me my freedom. There's no fluff, no BS, just what actually works. If you're keen, I'll put the link below. Just click it and join. It's free. If this video has helped you, drop a like, hit subscribe, and let me know in the comments where you are in the world or where you want to be once you achieve your freedom. Peace.